Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For this week episode I will show you how you can remove the door panel at a Ford K 2010. The reason why I want to remove it is because the window regulator has broke down and I want to replace it. In this episode I will show you how you can remove all this panel. You need some tools like the plastic remover. These are specially made to remove plastic parts of the car without to damage it, and I recommend you to use these rather than a screwdriver. You can use also a screwdriver to put it behind or here, but you will damage a little bit the plastic, which I don't want and I do not recommend. First thing you may have to do is to introduce these tools here and slowly to push it, and then you will just simply remove all this section. It should pop off. Okay, like this. You put it aside, and then you have 3 screws, one here, and one here, for which one you need a hex tools. You also have a small screw here inside, covered by a small cap, which again, using a plastic tool, you remove it. This is the cap. I'll put it here in the door. To remove this, you just need a screwdriver, a cross one. I'll put the screw here. To remove these 3 screws from the door, you need a hex key. On the hex key, I recommend you, if you have to, stick a magnet that will help you to extract the screws, otherwise it will remain there, and when you remove the door panel, it might be possible to fall down, and then it will be probably much harder to collect them or to find them. Okay, now after I remove everything, I have to introduce this plastic beneath and take it out. After I made space to put my hand under, I just split it apart by pulling, and that should be everything. More than this, you have to remove also this cap, which is not very complicated. You only have to take it a little bit and then to slide it down, because have this clip, and when you will put it back, it will be very hard to make this process. That's why I will take this out. Yeah, I'll try later. Now all we have to do is to take the door panel and lift it up. Here on the back side of the door, you have the line which goes from the door handle opener to the opening system, and all you have to do, it's first you have to remove it from here, then this clip you have to slide it back like this, and then it's just falling down. And this is it. This is the face. And here under you have access to your, let's say, window regulator or other tools. Now to put the door panel back, you only have to put this back in through here. Okay. Take the door panel, so I'll bring the phone much closer. Here you have to fit it first in like this. No, first you have to put it here in, then you move this clip here, you clip it together, and then you have to introduce it in this place. Now everything you have to do is to put it first up, like you remove it, okay, then slide it down, and you only have to push and clip everything back together. Okay, now to put this ornament back, it will be extremely hard to put it from here up and clip it back again. That's why I will remove the clip. Okay, so first remove this clip, put it here back in by sliding it down. Okay, and then just clip everything back together. Be also aware that you should fit this under the rubber. If you don't make it from first, that it's not a problem because you can do it afterwards. And be aware that this part, okay, should go here back first. So under the rubber, there down. Okay, and now I will clip it back. Okay, it's fixed. Now using your hex key, you have to put the screws back on, all three. One, two, and three. Okay, also using a cross screwdriver, put the screws back that secure the door opening handle. back as well the cap. Now the door handle ornament, all we have to do is to fit this back together. So you just put it here and here down. You might have to look inside because it has some clips, and those clips do not get out, and then you just press it and that's it. I will put my tools back and I will get home. That was it, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you like it. If you like it and if you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is very important for me and this has helped me a lot to continue. Hit thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Bye bye.